Let's see lead code problem 739 daily temperatures. First we will discuss here the problem statement and understand the problem statement. Then we will discuss here brute force approach, and then we will discuss the optimal approach. So let's understand the problem and approaches. So let's start. Let's understand the problem statement. The problem says that we have to find the next warmer temperature of the ith temperature, okay, ith element, okay. So this is similar to the next greater element, okay. So means we have to find the next greater element, next greater temperature than the ith element, and we have to subtract that greater elements index minus smaller, okay. So I will explain here. Here is 73 and 74 is an greater, means warmer temperature than the 73. So this how many steps it is ahead? Only one step. So here output is 1. Now we will move to the 74. 75 is greater than 74, and we move only one step ahead. So here also 1, okay. You will understand the main problem here, okay. So here is a 75 temperature. We have to find the warmer temperature than this temperature, okay. So this is 71, no. This is 76, 69, no. And this is 72, no. 76 is an warmer than 75, okay. So how many steps we have come forward? This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So here is an 4 output, okay. Like this we have to solve this problem. This is very similar to the next greater element. What we were finding that in the next greater element, next greater than 73, we will put here 74, and after 74, 75 is greater, so we will put here 75. After 75, greater element is 76, so we are putting here 76. This is an greater element problem. So in this problem we have to subtract the indexes of this problem, okay. So here is an 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay. So 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now here is a 6, index 6 and 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So here comes 4, means we have to return only indexes, okay. So let's see the approach 1, okay, which is a brute force approach. In the brute force approach, we will traverse throughout the array again and again, okay. So here is a 73, we will find here 74 is greater, so we will put here 1, and again we will traverse 74 is greater than 75 is greater than 74 by one step, so we will put here 1, and 70, now we will go ahead. This is not greater, this is not greater, this is not greater, and this is greater. So we will traverse throughout the array again and again, and then we will find sum out this output, okay. So but it will increase our time complexity, okay. Time complexity will be increased by traversing again and again array, okay. So this is not an efficient solution, okay. So we will see the approach 2, which is an optimal and efficient solution. We will use here stack, okay. So here is an given array 73, 74, 75, 71, 69, 72, 76 and 73. These are those index, okay. We will create one new array, okay, to store the indexes of that elements, okay. So what we will do? We will simply create one stack, which is which you can give anything name, okay. So we will traverse from the last of array, okay. Now our pointer is here, okay. I pointer is here, okay. Now it is an last of array and stack is empty. So what we will do, if stack is empty, then we have to put 0 here, okay. 0 in the new created array index, okay. So 73 will be added here, means 7 index. In the stack we will put 7 indexes, okay. So this will refer to the 73, okay. Okay. Now we will move forward, okay. Now our pointer is here 76. Now we will check this 76 is and greater in this stack peak element is greater than the 76. No, not greater, okay. So what we will do, we will pop out this element, okay. After popping this is popped out, okay. So after popping this, I will do like this only. After popping 7 index 7, again stack will be empty. So stack is empty, so here also it will be 0. Now our pointer move to the 76, and this will be implemented here, okay. So 6 index, and here it will refer to the 76, okay. Now we will check here 72 is smaller than the 76, okay. So what we will do, we will simply do now we will take this index 5, and in the stack there is 6, okay. So 6 minus 5, 1. So here we will put 1, okay. Now what we will do, we will simply this also insert into stack, though. So 5 index will be also inserted into the stack, and 72 here will be reference, okay. So now we will move forward 69, okay. So 69 is smaller than 72, means 72 is greater than 69, so nothing will happen. So we will minus the index 4 minus 5 minus 4, 1. So here also 1 will become, okay, and again 69 index will be pushed into the stack, okay. So index 4 and 69 will be its reference, okay. So our pointer will come to the 71, okay. Now we will check 71 is greater than 69, okay. So simply we will pop out this element from this stack, okay, index, okay. This is a reference, I am writing this to understand, okay. We will pop out actual index. Now we will see 71 is smaller than 72, means 5 index, okay. So we will minus 5 minus this index 3, which is 2. Now we will put here 2, okay. Now again we will put this 71 into stack, okay. Index number is 3 and here reference is 71, okay. Now our pointer will move to the next, okay, means before. Now 71 is greater than 75, no, so this will be popped out, okay. And 75 is greater than 72, so this will be also pop out, okay. Now 76 is greater than 75, okay. So what we will do, index is 2. Now in the stack there is 6 index, okay. So 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4, so we will put here 4. Similarly we will perform this operation again and again, okay. By using stack it will take very less time, okay. So I hope that you understand the approach, okay. While writing the code on code editor, you will more understand about this, okay. If you not understand at start, then watch the video 2 to 3 times, then you will definitely understand. This is a very simple problem and exactly same to the next getter element, okay. So let's go on lead code editor, okay. So let's go on lead code editor. Let's write the code for our approach. First we will create here one stack which will include the integers, okay. Okay, now we will take the size of temperatures array, okay. Temperatures dot length, and now we will create one new array, okay. New array, I will give name as result, which will size of the temperatures array, okay. Now simply we will iterate throughout the temperatures array. So I will take here for loop int I equal to n minus 1, because we are starting from last. I should be greater than equal to 0 and I decrement, okay. So we will check first the stack is empty, and the element from the temperatures is greater than the peak element of the stack, okay. So here will be while loop, while we will pop out that element, okay. While stack is empty, okay. So here, wait a minute, I have given the stack name stack dot is empty. If stack is not empty, okay, sorry, if stack is not empty, what we will do, we will simply pop out the elements. If the if stack is not empty, and temperatures of I is greater than equal to temperatures stack peak element of stack, okay. So stack dot peak element, okay. So if the element in the stack of peak element of the stack is less than the actual element of the temperatures, then we will simply pop out the element from the stack, okay. So stack dot pop, okay. So now what we will do, if the elements still remaining in the stack, then we have to find the next warmer temperature exists or not, okay. So if stack is not empty, okay, not empty means here we have to put the exclamation mark. If the stack is not empty still, then we have to put the index of the warmer element minus the actual element, okay. So result dot I equal to stack dot peak element, okay, minus index, okay. Means subtraction, this is an index of 6 minus this is an 6 minus 2, which is a 4, okay. It will come here. Now we will simply push the if the stack is empty, then we have to push the element into stack, okay. So stack dot push index, okay. We have to put the index. Now in the next get element we have to push the element, actual element. Here we have to push the index, okay. So simply we have to return our new array, return result, okay, sorry, return result. So let's compile the code. Okay, here is some error. Here temperatures, it should be temperatures. Once again I will compile the code. Okay, our code is successfully compiled and all test cases are run successfully. Okay, our code is accepted. So let's submit the code. Okay, our code is successfully submitted. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. This was our day 29 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. In middle I was not able to upload the video because I was out of station. So this is our day 29 of 100 days of code. From now videos will be regularly uploaded on my channel. Okay, so if you want this code of Java and C++, both are uploaded on my GitHub account, and that GitHub account link is given in the description. Okay, so you can find the code in the description. Okay, means my GitHub account. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked my approach and explaining, so you can subscribe my channel and like my channel. So thank you guys.